can make me move.
Let's have a bit of fun till I